Welcome to BCSD News. Here's a look at what's happening in the Bakersfield City School District.
With a gobble and a gulp, down went the chiefo and his boy to join.
23ABC and Dignity Health have partnered with Stella Hills as part of their If You Give a Child a Book campaign. This year, the Scripps news station and Dignity have committed to fundraise and provide students at Hills with home libraries, sharing the joy of reading at home.
Not only is it great for them on an educational sense, but when it comes to their creativity, there's such an amazing world that you get to build every time you open a book and read one for your own. And we really just want to be able to instill that creativity and that love for reading in our younger children so that they carry it on with them throughout the rest of their lives.
Thank you so much. What's your name, my friend?
Access to books at home is crucial for a child's reading achievement. If you would like to donate to the campaign, go to the website turn223.com for more information.
No, sí son diferentes historias. So estas dos.
Hoping to get involved in your school community? Helping Hands opportunities exist across our district, inviting families and staff to join together to support student learning. Families join together with teachers and other staff as they work on various projects for the school year ahead. At Horace Mann, families stop by the Parent Resource Center to organize learning materials and more.
Building relationships is very important. I feel that, parents, we are the foundation to our children, and having that relationship amongst the school, the teachers, the students, and being able to have the space available to do that, I think it's just great.
Helping Hands is a great opportunity for parents and teachers to meet and build relationships while contributing to the school community. Contact your Parent Resource Center for more information on Helping Hands opportunities at your child's school. Another fun opportunity to get involved, join BCSD's Now We're Cooking, a monthly family event from 5 to 6:30 p.m. October through May. Learn to cook healthy meals from scratch with your family while exploring delicious dishes from around the world.
Now We're Cooking is a really great opportunity for our families to get together and enjoy food. Oftentimes our life is too busy, so our parents and kids get to enjoy that together as a BCSD community. And like I always say, the best way to explore someone's culture is through their food, not just through travel.
Medium high heat and add frosted peas and cook for 3 minutes or until tender.
Each session serves up hands-on fun with life skills like math, reading, and social interaction mixed right in. For a taste of what's coming up, October 23rd at Casa Loma features Mexican cuisine, and November 13th at Fletcher features Greek-flavored dishes. For more information, contact Nutrition Services at 631-4734 or our FACE team at 631-4766. Parents, would you like to continue learning English and also become a tutor for our district's English learners? The Community-Based English Tutoring Program, or Cbet, provides English language instruction to BCSD parents and community members who are willing to commit to tutoring our district's English learners. Classes begin September 24th. For more information and requirements, call the Multilingual Education Program at 631-3221. Answering a few quick questions could help your child's school thrive. Please take a moment to fill out our confidential family survey. The information shared will be kept confidential and is used solely to determine funding levels for the school district. Head to bcsd.com or Parent Square for the link. That's it for this edition of BCSD News. Until next time, be safe and well. We'll see you soon.